Pimples can appear all over our body, but they have the habit of popping up on our face when we're least expecting them. Acne normally appears during puberty, when our hormones are raging. When we reach adulthood, acne can still appear, but in this case, the oiliness of our skin plays a big role. If you have oily skin, you know how easy it is for pimples to appear. If this is your case, we have a very simple, cheap tip to help end acne. The best part is that you probably already have all of the ingredients in your kitchen. One of these ingredients is a tomato, a fruit that is full of nutrients for our skin. Furthermore, tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that can regenerate our skin and protect it from the sun's harmful effects. If you suffer from acne, tomatoes can help you a lot. They're astringent, they reduce oiliness, they tone, and they balance pH levels in order to make your skin softer. To treat your acne using tomatoes, try making a face mask with tomato pulp, blend or squish one peeled tomato, and apply it to your face at night. You can add cucumber puree to this mask if you wish, since it helps close pores. Another optional ingredient is olive oil to hydrate your skin. Leave it on for 1 hour, then rinse it off with cold water. You can also place peeled, seedless tomato slices directly on your face, massaging the area softly for about 10 minutes. If blackheads are your biggest problem, there's another helpful ingredient in your kitchen: salt. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 1 tomato, 2 tablespoons of salt. Instructions: take a thick slice of tomato and pour a little salt on it. Next, for 3 minutes, rub the tomato slice on your nose and the other areas of your face that are prone to blackheads. Then take that same slice and pour more salt on it and repeat the process for 2 minutes. It is recommended that you perform this procedure once a week. Repeat it every 2 weeks in order to keep new blackheads from forming. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.